Hi everyone, hello and welcome. If you're new here, my name is Romany and hi, hello. I hope you can't hear the television of us watching football. Anyway, welcome back to another Quick Tips Tuesday. And today we're talking makeup brushes. So I have quite a few makeup brushes, but in all honesty, do not feel pressured into buying hundreds of makeup brushes, because out of all of these are my eye brushes. I use probably maximum of about 5, and I don't need all of those. That's just being greedy. And all of these face brushes, I use probably 4 of those. So don't feel pressured into having to buy all of these makeup brushes. You can manipulate your brushes so they are good for the job that you want. So let's see, like this little brush here, I use that to get right in there, right in that bit. I also, and you've seen me do it before, I also flatten it like that to get under my eye, instead of using a different brush. One, because I'm lazy and I can't be bothered to find another brush, but 2, you don't need another brush just to do that little bit there. Just the same as don't feel the need to think, oh, that's an eyeshadow brush. This is an eyeshadow brush. I do. Oh, I do. And I have done. Used it as an eyeshadow brush. It's a little big for my eyes. What you can use it for? Concealer. Under your eyes, just to blend out that concealer. So don't be afraid to use brushes that are not intended for that job as something else. Just the same as your face brushes. So this is my bronzing brush that I use all the time, and I will pinch that and move that to get right in there to chisel my contour, like that. Done. You don't need one of those separate brushes. I mean, I have one like this, but if I can't be bothered to grab it, if I can't find it, if it's dirty, generally it's dirty, I will use something else instead. This little brush here is brilliant for highlighter all the way round. Obviously when it comes to getting your nose, once again, give it a pinch. Just gently down that nose, on your chin, up above here. This little brush is my highlighter brush. Also pretty good if you wanted to do contour with it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to comment your tips and tricks, and I will feature them in a future video. See you later. Bye! So the quick tip for today is do not get a house bunny rabbit or a phone.